Dumating ako sa point na gusto ko na talagang magpahinga sa industry. I was ready to walk away from network marketing. So what I did, I paused, I prayed, and I asked God for direction. After that, I took a short 3-hour nap. At pagkagising ko, I saw something online. And in that quiet moment, something just clicked. I feel it. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for. Kinilig ako. Na-in love ako sa unang nakita ko. At alam mo kung anong nakita ko? Isang negosyo that made a total sense. High quality supplements, pero super affordable. Subscription-based, no pressure, no hype. Walang quota, walang auto-ship, walang points. Global access ito. Simple tools, at duplicatable ang system. So, it's really built for people like us. Yung mga sawa na sa luma, pero gusto mo pa rin makatulong at magtagumpay. Live good, it's really give me a clarity, a peace, and a purpose in one platform. Kaya, kung naghahanap ka ng negosyong simple, totoo, at may sense, yung kaya mong maging proud ka at hindi mo ikahihiya, ito na ang sagot. Don't overthink. Okay? Send me a message, live good love, and I'll walk you through it. And maybe, just like me, ito na rin ang simula ng panibagong tagumpay mo. So, this is V Sabulao, aka Eagle V. I rise, I transform, I lead. See you at the top. God bless. Bye!